guys.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be playing with kinetic sand, and we're at Evie's house because we're going to have a sleepover. Yeah. And I have kinetic sand, but it's green, and I have the same thing. And me and Chloe here, and whatever. Okay, whatever. And we're going to play with it, and I can't wait. Are you ready? Yeah, this is really new. Mama! For one day. Look at this.
Ooh, that's a beautiful
you're
picture.
in our video. It's okay.
Show Daddy.
No, let's just keep doing it. Okay. And my baby sister that passed by. Sorry about that. Abby, can we stop? Abby, stop. And what you know, I'm actually not the person that lives here. I'm actually the Chloe. Put it in. We have to play it from here. It'll get. Oh yeah. That's why it's gonna get glued. It's okay because we can always clean it up. Yeah, but it's new. It's okay. It's really new. I just bought it. Did you get it for Christmas? No. Today. A full box. I wish you just get out. We're doing our video. Yeah. Or else we have to restart. Yeah. So yeah. What do you got? And maybe you could like put it right here, and it'll work so they can see the sand. And we're going to make a castle. Look at the castle, perfect. I'll make my own castle. Look at it. Let's make a castle, and just all castles. Wait, I want to make it my own. I'm making my own castle. Okay, I'm going to adopt it. I'm going to make. Oh, the bottom. You know, we can also make a fish. We can also make a fish. No, we don't. Yes. There's a mold right there. And can we get out of our video? And there's also a fish mold right here. And
Okay, my battery
this
is
is our
dying.
house that we're having a sleepover. And look at the top of the cat. Now I'm going to make a pebble. Look at, I kind of ruined it, but you guys can see it. I know what the top. I know you guys are like, what's on the top? This is sandcastle, and I am going to take some more sand. Some bunch of sand. Hey, that's my sand. No, that's my sand, baby.
Evie, say goodbye. My battery is dying.
What's this? Oh, that is? It's the maker? I'm going to make some flowers. This is perfect. For the winter. How do you... Mommy, down. Is that... Oh, wait. How do you... Oh, and you guys also...